All right, what's up, people? We're going to do an introduction to something called stoichiometry, okay? And basically, it's just learning not only what we make in a chemical reaction, but how much of the things we can produce. Now, let's balance this equation right here. Check this out. Got a 2 right there. My chlorines are now balanced. All right. So if we're looking at this equation, 1 mole of magnesium and 2 moles of hydrochloric acid, if you combine them, they'll make a mole of magnesium chloride, which is an aqueous salt, right? Aqueous. And it'll make 1 mole of hydrogen gas. Now, let's say that we had a whole bunch of this. We have plenty of hydrochloric acid, all right? We've got plenty of this, like an unlimited amount. What if we wanted to, instead of making 1 mole of hydrogen gas, what if we wanted to make, say, 3 moles of hydrogen gas? Then guess what? We'd need to have 3 moles of magnesium. See, we just got a little ratio here. 3 is to 1 as 3 is to 1. Let me change the problem up a little bit. We have the same equation here. We have the same equation. All right? Okay. So we have 1 mole of magnesium and 2 moles of hydrochloric acid. And they're going to get together and produce 1 mole of magnesium chloride, which is aqueous, and 1 mole of hydrogen gas. Well, what if we had plenty of magnesium? We just had all the magnesium we needed, all right? And we wanted to make, say, 3 moles of magnesium chloride. Then how much hydrochloric acid would we need? How much of this would we need to make 3 of these? Well, x is to 2 as 3 is to 1. So you say, okay, x is to 2 as 3 is to 1. Guess what? It's going to take 6. So it would take 6 moles of hydrochloric acid to produce 3 moles of magnesium chloride. Look, let's try another one. This is super easy. All right? I'm going to balance this. All right? Okay. See how there's 2 nitrates there? I'm going to put a 2 there. I made a 2 here for my lithiums, and I think we're balanced. 2, 1, 2, 1. All right? Let's pretend that we have an unlimited, or we just have plenty of lead 2 nitrate. We've got plenty of this. We've got all of it we want, an unlimited amount, all right? And we're trying to make some lead 2 chloride. How much lead 2 chloride precipitate would we make if we dumped in, say, 8 moles of lithium chloride? If we put 8 moles of lithium chloride into this equation, then we would make how many moles of lead 2 chloride? Well, we'd say, okay, 8 is to 2. We just took these numbers right here as x is to 1. 8 is to 2 as x, well, 4. So if we dumped 8 moles into this equation and we had all of this that we needed, we got plenty of it. If we dumped in 8 moles into the little glass or into whatever container we're mixing it in, then we'll end up making 4 moles of lead 2 chloride precipitate. And that's it. That is the simple stoichiometry, okay? It'll get harder tomorrow.